I've fallen, and I can't get up.
We're sending help immediately, Mrs. Fletcher.
Don't worry, Mrs. Fletcher! I got you! Roll the intro!
Magnus.Magneto.
Yo! Let's go! Woo! That was a lot. This is a lot. My everything is pain, bro. So growing up, I always found it hard to get off my back and to find like different creative ways off my back. So I decided to challenge myself today and try to do as many as I can think of. So hope this helps you out. This was Magnus.Magneto from Now and Never Crew. Uploads every Sunday. If you like this kind of content, please comment down below. For my body's sake at least, if not for anything else, just for my bumps and bruises, give it a little bit of love. Give it a like for my red ass face. Okay guys, time to eat. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and smash that bell button if you'd like to see more. Woo! So you're hungry, you want more. I was the same growing up as I started breaking, and I'm the same now as I've continued breaking. Which is why I started a weekly newsletter every Monday, Mondays with Magnus, where I'll be sharing anything from breaking to health and everything in the middle that I've found that I can leverage to my advantage to becoming the best human being I can possibly be. To join, all you have to do is email me at magnus.ff94@gmail.com, and I will see you Monday.